Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply add a zip code to vanilla gift card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video and subscribe our channel. And without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. So for the matter, as you can see, we are here right here in the vanillagift.com in the browser and on their official website. So here in this section, if you would like to add the zip code, and if you have been trying to and not being able to, first thing that you can do is you can go to this activate your card section and simply try adding the information as it asks: your card number, expiry date, CVV number, and continue. Then you might be able to access the zip code option. But if you don't, then whenever you receive a vanilla gift card, you have this a particular customer support number behind it. Make sure to call them regarding the issue and tell them that you would like to add the zip code but you're not being able to access it, right? And if that doesn't help you to do so, the other thing that you can do is again come to this FAQs right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it and scroll down to the bottom, and here in this contact us section you can find trying to purchase a vanilla visa card, already purchased a vanilla visa gift card. So all we have to do is tap on this already purchased a vanilla visa card. You can see if you have question about a vanilla visa gift card you have already purchased, please contact us for assistance. Simply go ahead, call this number and express the problem, and they will simply let you know what you can do further, what process, where you have to go, however you will like. They will simply be able to provide you a solution for that. So if you got that kind of concern, simply come over here and contact the support. This way your problem surely will be solved and you're good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.